But Arduino itself is the open source platform whereby we have the hardwares and then we have the softwares. And that is where people work on their project and then put it up there with the community for everybody to gain access to it. Well, as an Arduino certified trainer, this workshop really means a lot to me. I get the opportunity to train learners about the world of Arduino. They get more insight into the electronics and programming world. They are able to work with the hardware made available to them and build projects on their own.
The Arduino for Her Day is important to me because generally women are very underrepresented in STEM, especially engineering, I believe, and I'm very excited to be a part of an event specifically encouraging women to be inspired, to try to aspire for more than what they're currently being given in terms of education, in terms of opportunities and resources. I think it's very encouraging to see how many women showed up.
I'm actually happy to be part of the Arduino for Her program, and with this I'm glad I was able to meet people, connect with people and see how they are doing in the STEM career. Well, with this I realized that a couple of them weren't introduced to this part of IT yet. So I realized I picked interest with that.
Alexa, turn on the bedroom light.